Welcome you all. So let's learn about complex if statement in Python. So earlier we learned about simple if statement. Now complex if statement. The syntax of complex if statement: if conditional expression 1, statement block 1, elif conditional expression 2, statement block 2, else. Statement block n. So this means that if elif else construct is used in the situations where a user can decide among multiple options, as soon as one of the condition controlling, these are the conditions, expression 1, expression 2, okay, one of the conditions controlling the if is true, then statement associated with that if are executed and the rest of the letter is bypassed. If none of the condition is true, then the final else statement will be executed. Control flows from top to down. So you can see here the flow chart also. Here is test expression 1. Okay. Expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3. First of all, it will test the expression 1. If it is yes or it is true, it will execute statement 1 and the flow of statement of control, it will directly goes to the statement just below the if elif else statement. Okay, and if it is false, then it will check the next expression, that is expression 2. Okay, if yes, it will execute statement 2. Okay, and if false or no, okay, then it will test the next expression. Fine, this is how it will just simply execute the statements one by one. If it got the answer during expression 1, then it will bypass all of the statements. Okay, if it did not get the answer, okay, the as a yes, or it is still getting no, so it will move to the next statement. If then again getting no answer, then it will move to the next statement. Okay, so just have a look here. There is a ladder of multiple conditions presented by each if. All of these conditions are mutually exclusive. If the first condition is false, the next will be checked, and so on. If one of the conditional expression evaluates to true, then the intended statement block immediately following if will be executed and the statement ends, as I already told you. Suppose here the expression 1 is true, then what will happen? This statement block 1, that is followed by the expression 1, it will be executed. Otherwise, it will just jump to the next one. Okay. So here else is optional. Okay. Elif is working. So else is optional over here. Okay. So next here's, so we will just learn about here with the examples also, with the help of examples also. So let's have the example here. Write a program to accept the percentage of a student and display the grade accordingly. Okay. So here what will happen now? See, the first statement that I have written here, percentage is equal to float, input, enter the percentage of a student. This statement 1 will accept the percentage as the input from the user. Okay, from the user. Fine. So here is my conditions. Now each condition will be checked in order. Clear? If percentage is greater than 85, this is my condition 1. Okay. Then set the grade to A. Okay. If the percentage is greater than 70, if the percentage is greater than 70 and the percentage is less than equal to 85, then it will set the grade to B. Fine. If percentage is greater than 60 and less than equal to 70, then set the grade to C. Okay. If the percentage is greater than 45 and less than equal to 60, then set the grade to D. Otherwise, set the grade to E. Okay. So here is what is happening. Okay. Here all the conditions will be checked. Fine. If the condition 1 is false but condition 2 is true, the corresponding code of condition 2 will be executed and control will not even check other conditions. It will directly bypass it. Okay, so we will see it. Okay, as suppose I have written here 70. Okay, so this statement will be wrong, it will be bypassed, this will be bypassed, and here in the third one condition, here it is satisfying. Okay, so means percentage is greater than 60, true, and this is also true as it is 70. So what as an answer I will get the grade C here. So it will ignore the other statements. Okay, so let's see it practically also. So let's calculate the percentage of a student and let's see the grades accordingly. I'll open the new file. Okay, so I am just simply writing here percentage is equal to float and then input. Then I will ask for the input from the user. Enter the percentage okay, of a student. Fine. And then close. Okay, so this will be my statement 1. Okay, hash. So let's statement 1. Okay, so next would be, so let's write the conditions now. If percentage is greater than 85, okay, then let's mark it as just a minute. Let's mark it as condition 1. Okay, then what will happen? Print A. Okay, it will display A grade. Clear? If percentage is greater than 85. Okay, you can see the indentation is given automatically by the Python shell. Okay, now next is elif. Okay, percentage is greater than 70. Okay, and this is my logical operator. Okay, percentage is less than equal to 85. Fine. So this would be my next one, condition 2. So let's mention it so that there should not be any confusion type. Okay, so what it has to do, it has to print B. Okay, now next is let me just copy it. I will paste it. C, Control V. Okay, so let's do it now. Okay, be here if my percentage is greater than 60 and here less than equal to 70. Okay, this would be my condition 3. So what it has to do, it has to print colon C. Okay, next Control V, and here I will write 60 45. Okay, CD 45 and then 60. Okay, clear? This would be my condition 4. Clear? So print B. Okay, and after that else, if none of the condition is true, so what it has to do, it has to print E. Set the grade to E. Okay, fine, clear. So let's save this program. PER, okay, percentage, and just let me run it. F5. Oh, now it is asking me the grade, okay, a percentage. Suppose I will just set here 78. Okay, let's see what would be the, it would be, it would be B grade. Okay, it would be B grade because percentage is greater than 70 and less than equal to 85. It falls in this category, so it will display B grade. Okay, so if I will run the my program again, okay, just fine. If I am writing here 86, so it will display A. Clear? So this is how we can just write down the simple program. It's very easy. We just have to mention the conditions according to the program. Okay, so let's move forward now. So let's see the next program. Okay, to input the time and display the greetings accordingly. So let's write down the program here. T is equal to time. Okay, T for time, integer. Clear? So input the value that I want to take it from the user. So that is, what is the time? What is the time? Okay. So what is the time here? So let's simply close it. Clear? Next is, so now next is if t is less than equal to 10. Okay. So what it has to do? Print good morning. Print good morning. Print good morning. Fine. So next is if Aleph. Okay. Aleph. T is time is less than equal to 12. Okay. It is less than equal to 12. So it has to print. It has to print soon. It will be time for lunch. So okay. So next is Aleph again. Aleph. Okay. Time is less than equal to 18. Okay. 18 is 6. Okay. So print. What it has to print now? Good day. Good day. Okay. Next is Aleph. Otherwise, if time is less than equal to 22, okay, print what it has to print. Good evening. Okay. Just a minute. Good evening. Okay. Fine. Okay. Good evening. Clear? Now, the next is else. Now, I will write else. What it has to do otherwise. Okay. Else, print good night. Print good night. Night. Okay, done. So let's run it. First of all, let me save this program. Save. Yes, here. Time. Okay, fine. So I have saved it. Run it with F5. So it is asking me what is the time. Okay, if I write here 22, so it is saying me good night. Why it is saying me good night? because I am writing here 22. So I don't have any condition that time is less than equal to 22. So it has skipped all the statements like good morning, time for lunch, good day, good evening. It has skipped, bypassed all these statements, and it is printing good night. Okay. If I will run my program again and I will give, suppose I am giving something else here. Okay, it will ask me again what is the time. If I am writing here, just suppose uh, 11. Okay, so it is saying soon it will be time for lunch. Okay, so this is how we can simply write down the programs here. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe and visit often for new updates. Thank you. Bye bye.